Welcome to One Governors Road in Bronxville, New York. I'm Kathleen Collins with Julia Beefy Sotheby's. This Frank Lloyd Wright-inspired home was built in 1950 by architect David Henken. You can see that in the floor-to-ceiling windows throughout the home, bringing the outdoors inside, and the prominent linear lines. And it's been lovingly restored. The goal was to make it comfortable and functional for 21st century living. With 5,500 square feet and multiple outdoor spaces, there's a lot to show you. So come on in, let's take a look. As you enter the home, you pass this soothing water feature, and it puts you in a wonderful frame of mind to view this masterpiece. This glass entry welcomes you into the home. It's a dramatic first impression, and it gives you views to the indoors and the outdoors. It's also indicative of Frank Lloyd Wright's style to enter into a smaller space before going further into the home. When you walk into the sunken living room, you feel immediately at ease. With soaring 10.5-foot ceilings, this exquisite built-in sofa, and a wood-burning fireplace with a stone surround. The stone, in fact, is the same stone that's used on the exterior of the home, thus tying the inside to the out, another example of Frank Lloyd Wright's style. There's also this amazing deck. All of this making this room the perfect place to enjoy a night at home. This open area combines both the dining room and the kitchen. They were designed to work in harmony, but they're also two distinct spaces. The dining room has a wall of windows that floods the room with natural light, and it features this lovely chandelier that bathes any evening in a romantic glow. And the open kitchen is absolutely pristine. It has a dark center island with seating for 5 and light quartz countertops. And it contrasts nicely with this dark custom millwork, all with a contemporary flair, making this a dream kitchen. The main suite of the home has an office, exercise room, and bedroom. One of the first things you notice in this room is a wall of windows, including this unique corner window. Architectural features like this remind you that you're in a very unique home. Right outside these windows is your very own private deck. It's a perfect place to unwind and enjoy all the interesting angles of the home. To top this space off, there is a sumptuous spa bath with a marble step-down tub that is nothing short of amazing. And only 15 miles from Midtown Manhattan, this magnificent property is a wonderful place to call home. Thank you for taking a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?